Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know what are the fees and charges for cash advance in Maybank credit card. So Maybank credit card cash advance fees that and charges includes our fixed fees, that is 5% fixed fee for a transaction amount, and the interest rate is calculated from the withdrawal date until the payment date. Next, if you're wondering about the administration fee, a fee for cash withdrawal as well. So the cash advance typically have a higher interest rate than a standard purchase interest rate on a credit card. Now, interest rate for cash advance are usually between 22.99% and 27.99%, while purchase interest rate can be lower than 12.99%. Now, Maybank charges all fees and applicable taxes to a credit card account when due to payable. These fees and charges are not refundable. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.